Hey y'all, I know this won't be a very good video because I'm in the house, but I was walking by and my windows are a little bit dirty, but I was going to go get more coffee and look, this little woody woodpecker, he's sleeping. Earlier he was eating off the suet cake right down there, and then most of the birds flew away for the afternoon, and I walked by and this little feller is taking his afternoon siesta. It's about 3:47 in the afternoon, so it's kind of funny that the other birds aren't back right now, but I think the snow probably took them back to their nest for a little bit because it's snowing right now. But look at that little guy. He's sleeping. There he is. Little chirp chirp.